Today we're standing behind a Cruiser Yachts 42 GLS South Beach Edition. What an awesome looking boat. We have the black hull sides, black top sides, and color matched engines. This boat is powered with the twin 600 V12s. Performance of these speak for themselves. Dual prop, naturally aspirated, 2-speed transmission. This is just something you have to see on the water. Really cool part about this boat is we do have 2 fold-out terraces, one on port, one on starboard side. So this aft portion you're looking at here where the Cruiser Yachts logo is, does fold down into beach mode. And the same thing will happen over on the port side. In addition, we have a swim ladder on both sides. We have a starboard side and a port side swim ladder. Let's hop aboard and we will take a further look. As we stand on the transom here, you'll see Cruiser Yachts does an amazing job of creating space. So it doesn't matter which side you board the boat on, whether it's port or starboard, you can easily walk across. This boat is in storage mode right now. As you can see, this is how it'll sit when you're not using it. We have large expansive covers, but they're pretty easy to take on and off. Instead of a full mooring cover, we opt to just cover the seats to make your life a little bit easier. When these are off, you have extremely large, expansive seating wrapping around the beautiful table in the center. And then we have a nice summer kitchen on the port side, refrigerator, grill, sink, pouring countertop, and a lot more. We have an awesome helm area, state-of-the-art electronics, Mercury joystick. This area does have air conditioning, SeaKeeper equipped. We do have a sunroof, and then very unique bar stools here at the helm. Can't get much better than that. We'd love to show you this boat a little bit more in depth. Please give us a call at MarineMax. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn, 772-287-4495.